Hi, I'm Dana. As a student and working mom, having a traditional schedule costs a lot in both time and money. With the NCLab program, I have a lot more flexibility with work and spending time with my family. I'm also less worried about daycare. I can work on my course any time of the day, and I have great support from my instructor whenever needed. I'm currently taking the Python programming course. The learning method breaks down the basics of computer programming in a very palatable way. Prior to taking this course, I spent over 10 years working in retail. I was always interested in data science, but was also intimidated by learning how to code. I feel a lot more confident about moving forward in that direction now. I would recommend this course to anyone who wants to change their career outlook, even with their heavy time constraints. Thank you.